Here is a LabRecon chip on a LabRecon breadboard experimenter connected to the laptop via a USB link from which it is also receiving power. I open the sample project, LabRecon Chip Test, which displays the values of the 8 analog inputs and the 1 RPM input. It also allows control of the 2 PWM outputs, the 2 servo outputs, and 3 on-off outputs. A connected servo and fan is now controlled by a knob and slider on the panel. An optoreflector sensor was installed on the fan to feed the RPM input of the chip to provide both an RPM and pulse count reading. One analog input was configured to read a thermistor. The measurement wizard was used, which allows the user to choose from lists of commercially available sensors from an embedded database to automatically set scaling and linearization parameters. One can see the temperature rising on the gauge when the thermistor is handled. After connecting the hardware, I will select Connect to Chip Hardware from the LabRecon Start menu. After clicking on Select Port, I will select the USB to serial port created. I will now select Sample Projects to open the LabRecon Chip Test project, which was that shown in the video. The 2 knobs and the lower sliders can be seen, which were used to control the servo and fan. The RPM and count displays are near the top, and the 8 analog input readings show 7 voltages and the 1 temperature. A gauge was added to show the temperature reading in Fahrenheit.